Welcome back, everybody, to your daily news report, your first, second, and now, yes, your third stimulus check update. The relief package, EIDL loan programs and grants, PPP 2.0. Today is Thursday, the 21st of January. Welcome back, everybody, and happy Thursday. The SBA, as of the 19th, released new guidelines for PPP draw number 2, and many gig workers right now are out applying at fintechs. And we want to make sure that you avoid timely mistakes by following some simple steps, and we're going to go through some application processes for the draw number 2 so you guys don't have any time delays in capitalizing on up to, yes, $29,000 for all those gig workers, sole proprietors, independent contractors, Uber, Lyft drivers. Guys, this is your news. Come on and get it. Welcome back, everybody. Thank you to all my loyal subscribers for joining me for another one. I'm Edward Bilder. You guys are watching Ask Bilder. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. For all my subscribers out there who are commenting all over the place, you guys are amazing. And you guys are commenting all over the place because you guys know about my drawing. When I reach my 5,000 subscriber, which should be today, I'm going to pick one lucky comment from my subscribers down below to send $500 stimulus check to one lucky subscriber. So don't miss out on that opportunity. And guys, with all this money flowing out around, swing by Webull in the description. They're giving away 4 free stocks, and the promotion will not last forever. Valued up to like $3,000, you could get 4 free stocks. Pretty cool. Check me out on Instagram, Ask Bilder. You guys could PM me there anytime you want. On today's video, we're going to go through a step-by-step with BlueVine, draw number 2. Now, maybe you're not with BlueVine, maybe you're with K Servicing, or you're going through Lendio or some other program. That's okay. You guys could still watch this video to the end because we're going to go over all of those questions, the 20 or so questions. There's a lot of them. That many of you may make a mistake on and find yourselves getting declined in application processes. And we don't want you to make any mistakes. We're going to go through them step by step and just inside the BlueVine portal so that we can see a live demonstration. And so stay tuned, follow all the steps, follow along with all the questions because this applies to all lenders. The SBA is requiring these questions to be asked, and we don't want you to miss anything. We don't want you to have a timely mistake. Okay, everyone, we're going to start by heading out to our emails where that BlueVine draw 2 application came through, and let's get into it. Okay, head on out to your email, that BlueVine email for the Paycheck Protection Program draw 2, and it's going to explain a couple brief things for you about the second draw and explain how easy it is that if you go through the same lender, you could get on the fast track. Remind you about the reliable working capital, 2.5 times your average monthly payroll cost, and 3.5 times if you're in that 72. And the ICS code 72. The loan forgiveness, information on that, the easy apply. And it talks about something here pretty important. I want you to see this part. Okay. On January 19th, before we get there, no hidden fees. No hidden fees. Okay, so don't pay somebody to do this. All right. On January 19th, the SBA released new guidelines. And so there's this disclaimer here that says, new guidelines on how to conduct the loan amount calculation. Now, everybody's saying that once they qualify, they're seeing it's the same amount as previous. So if you got 20 grand before, you're going to get 20 grand again. But we know that you had to have a 25% reduction. And so if you had a 25% reduction over 2.5 months, the question is, are they going to take a 25% reduction from your overall loan amount? So we'll get that answered right here for you guys. And then, of course, asking for you to have a 25% reduction and proving it like Q over Q, year over year between 2020 and 2019. All right, let's hit that apply button, apply now. And it's going to take us into our portal, right? So we head on into our portal, we sign in. I block some info out here, but you guys know what this is. Okay, and then hit that apply now in blue. And it's going to take you straight into the series of qualifying questions. Now, the first 3 are preloaded for you. You don't have to do anything on the first 3. Unless something's changed, you got to call them. But the first 3, you don't do much of anything. Okay, have you used all the PPP funds? That's question number 1. Okay. Question number 2 is, have you had that 25% reduction quarter over quarter or year over year between 2020 and 2019? And then here's a question. Are you an entity listed on the CFR, the 13 CFR 120, 110, And I'm going to go out, I'm going to look this up for you guys, because if you look it up on the SBA website, I went with Cornell Law School because they looked at it in reverse. They told you what you're ineligible for versus the SBA site tells you what you are eligible for. It's a little backwards and it's a little confusing. So you guys could check this out, Cornell Law. And they say things like if you're a nonprofit, you are ineligible. This is a list of ineligible now, okay? If you're a nonprofit, ineligible. Okay, for-profit subsidiaries are eligible. Financial groups like lenders, right, ineligible. Okay. Passive income. Now, this is a big question, right? If you guys are involved in passive income, these are landlords, and you're not actively occupying and you're not actively improving based with loan proceeds, you're ineligible. But rule of thumb here, if you guys are like a flipper and you're using proceeds to improve upon, or you're actively involved in the property, then you are qualified. So it's a little bit more like if you're a long-termer or if you're a flipper. Life insurance companies. Businesses located in a foreign country. Pyramids. These are like, makeup sales and home furnishing sales. If you have somebody above you that gets a percentage and somebody above them that gets a percentage, right? Businesses engaged in illegal activity. Yeah, you don't qualify. I'm sorry. Private clubs. You guys have like limited access. You don't qualify. Government owned. You don't qualify unless you're a Native American tribe. Businesses in teaching, instructing, counseling within the religious beliefs. Loan packagers don't qualify. Businesses associated with anybody on probation or parole for moral crimes. Lenders of the CDC. If you guys are in anything of a sexual nature, like live performances or any sexual nature, just read it. You guys aren't qualified. Now, this could be waived by the SBA, but if you're in default with any previous government issue. All right, so we bounce back over to our series of questions. Is your business publicly traded? Is your business in bankruptcy? Have you closed? Are you guys a farm? Yes or no? Is your business a destination marketing? That means, do you promote destinations? Do you get people to go to the destinations? Are you involved in any lobbying? Are you engaged in political lobbying and activities? Are you 20% or more owned by an entity in China, organized in China or Hong Kong? Is a member of the board of directors a resident of China? Very specific, very, very specific stuff, right? Are you registered or required to be under the Foreign Agents Registrations Act? Does your business have multiple physical locations? This is a big one because you could have 300 or fewer here in the U.S. and then have more than 300 outside of the U.S. and you would not qualify. Is your business a news organization with multiple locations? Is your business a tax-exempt nonprofit news organization? Is your business a government-owned hospital? And then more questions on like illegal gambling. Questions whether or not you run like housekeeping. So do you run housekeeping or household nanny services? Is your business a part of a hedge fund? And does your business... All right, so once we advance out of here, I didn't upload the offer letter. Okay, so it comes up with an offer letter, and it basically shows you the same exact information that you qualify for the same amount of money. So if you got that $20,832, you would receive it again. But here's some uploaded information where they're asking you for like proof of your business. And so this is a task. This is part of the new information that you have to upload. And it's asking for examples like bank statements or invoices or 1099 miscellaneous or 1099Ks that would demonstrate from the time. So let's say you submitted a Schedule C 2019. They want you to pull a bank statement from in there somewhere that says you received some form of payment from a client, customer, or invoiced something transferred to you that would demonstrate that you accepted a payment. And that's basically saying that this is your paycheck. Okay. So they're trying to validate that you actually were in business in 2019. It's part of their fraud detection. Thank you so much for tuning in for another video of Ask Builder. You guys are amazing. Check my other videos out on PPP 2.0 and my videos on EIDL, loans and grants. Don't forget to share this video with fellow gig workers, sole proprietors, independent contractors. Many of you guys qualify for these programs and you don't even know it. And don't forget about my giveaway. Giving away $500 very soon here. To be eligible, just drop comments down below. And best of luck to everybody. I will catch you all on the next one. Bye for now.